The installation of Right Reverend James William Ssebagala as Chancellor of Avance International University was received with excitement and high expectations. Stakeholders congratulated him, pledging to work closely with him and provide resources to support the university's growth.
I, James William Ssebagala, do solemnly swear that I will well and truly serve Avance International University in the office of Avance International.
In his acceptance remarks, Bishop Ssebagala appreciated the mantle entrusted to him and promised to build on the foundation already laid by the university.
As a titular head of this esteemed institution, I stand before you deeply humbled and profoundly honored to accept this responsibility. I'm grateful to my Lord God and to you for the trust you have placed in me. I pledge to dedicate my energy, my vision, and experience to the advancement of our shared mission.
He emphasized that education is a powerful tool for knowledge, innovation, and creativity. He stressed the need to empower young people, noting that education creates opportunities for innovation to better improve humanity.
Officials are reminded that in this era, education must move beyond the transmission of knowledge to the creation of knowledge. It must move beyond routine to bold innovation.
The Chancellor further pledged to prioritize innovation and national development in the coming years, reaffirming his commitment to steering the university towards serving society better.
The imperative for universities to reimagine their role has never been greater. Our task is clear: to cultivate a university that not only transmits knowledge, but also generates new knowledge through research, foster innovation through creativity, and applies scholarship in ways that meaningfully contribute to human flourishing.
The Vice-Chancellor of Avance International University welcomed Bishop Ssebagala's installation, expressing confidence that his experience and leadership will propel the institution forward.
We look forward to tap from his enormous experience that are spanning for years when he's in service. We have been closely following his distinguished service to God, to church, and to humanity, and it is impeccable. So we are looking forward to tap from that experience, and also look forward for working with a team of a committed man that has served not only God, but also extended the service to humanity.
With Right Reverend James William Ssebagala officially installed, Avance International University looks ahead with optimism, banking on his leadership to champion education, innovation, and societal transformation.